So in today's video, I want to show you like a quick guide of how you can start dropshipping relatively fast so you can start generating money. I'm going to tell you what I've been doing. This is going to give you an overview of how to start this whole process, what type of suppliers we're going to use. We're definitely not going to use any Chinese suppliers. Let's get to it. So first thing first, I want to talk about suppliers. As I said earlier, we're not going to use the Chinese suppliers because they just ship their products for too long. They don't give you valid tracking numbers and it's going to give you a lot of troubles. So what I've been doing, I've been using eBay as my supplier. Why? Because eBay has a lot of cheap products. They have a lot of accessories, which is something that sells very well on TikTok. They ship them very fast. They give you USPS tracking numbers more of the time. They also have a lot of unbranded products. That's just something that we're going to look for. They're located in the US. Basically, there's a lot of benefits, okay? So here are some of the products that I was recently viewing. And as you can see, there's a lot of jewelry. And that is because jewelry is doing very well. As I said, accessories. So jewelry, phone cases, wallets, gloves, hats, things of the nature are perfect for TikTok. Something that costs below 30 bucks and it can generate an impulse purchase because TikTok has a lot of impulse buyers, a lot of teenagers that just can't handle the hype and need to buy something. This is what we're aiming for. And you don't need to spend a lot of time on product research. Don't overthink it too much. Just focus on something that's in US, costs below 30 bucks and ship really fast. This is not Shopify dropshipping when you have to build like these like one product stores. You don't need to worry about that too much. At least I haven't followed that strategy. My strategy was just to always list a lot of products and just see what's gonna work. Over here's something that I learned with the strategy, okay? Make sure that you will list products that are not copyrighted. They don't look like a copycat products from famous brands. Like for example, do not list a wallet that looks like a Gucci wallet, okay? You're gonna get in trouble. So more listings equals more potential views and sales, but it also equals more liability. So to reduce the liability, make sure to list products unbranded, safe, and nothing that looks suspicious. I would say from perfumes, I would say for anything that looks like a big brand. This is why I mentioned phone cases, fake jewelry, and wallets. Those are easy categories and they are relatively safe. So go on eBay and just type in wallets, for example. Now go to the filters, make sure that they are US only, condition brand new. Oh, and by the way, if you're my YouTube member, every month I give you a list of products that I personally research for dropshipping. So if you click join, you'll get access to it as well as other stuff such as access to Discord and extra content. Also make sure that the price range is from 0 to 30 bucks. And now just look what they have, okay? So this one right here looks interesting. It sold 242 times. It costs 20 bucks. It offers free shipping. It accepts returns. Now I'll look at the company. I want to see if they had good reviews. Overall, it seems like they have a lot of 5 stars, 99.3% positive feedback. That's really good. And they sold over 3,000 items. So this might be a good supplier. And this seems like one of those safe wallets. You can also put your phone in here as well. Oh no, it has a phone tracker. So you can track it if you lose it. So that's perfect. This is a perfect impulse buyer product. And I found this within a couple of minutes, okay? So now what I would do, I would download the images of this wallet on my computer, save the link for this item, maybe open a Google spreadsheet. So here's mine. I'm gonna put the link here so I will never lose it. Now you will need to open a TikTok shop account. To open a TikTok shop account, just type in TikTok shop in Google and click on this button right here. Next, you're gonna click on get started. Next, you have to select in what type of region are you registering it. So I'm gonna select North America because I am located in the United States. Then you have to put your email address or your phone number. And also, here's one more thing. You don't need a TikTok account to create a TikTok shop account. So don't worry about that. I actually do not have a TikTok account. At least I don't have a TikTok account connected to my TikTok shop. So anyone can open a TikTok shop. Even if you hate the platform, you can still sell on it. Next, you have to select the business type. So I would assume most of you are going to be individuals using your social security or something like that. So you're going to go with the individual. But if you own an LLC or some sort of business, you might go with the sole proprietorship. I cannot pronounce that word. Or maybe a corporation if you're a big boy, or partnership, but 90% of you guys watching is going to go with the individual. Next, they're going to ask you to upload your documents. You have to give them your passport or driver license or something like that. Unfortunately, you have to give China your information. There's no other way around it. And once you do that, you're pretty much done. You should get access to your TikTok shop account relatively fast. But here's the thing, if they do not approve your documents once, try applying again with the same email. And if that happens again, do it again for the third time. And the third time is a charm and they accept you. I know it's stupid, but that's just how it is right now. And this is something that is confirmed by me and one other member of my Discord who's been saying that like you need to apply 3 times in order to get accepted, which is dumb, but that's just how you hack the system, okay? But most people get accepted the first time, so you shouldn't have a lot of issues with that. First thing you want to do once you get in, you want to click on shipping and then establish our shipping template, because otherwise you won't be able to fill orders because you will have to print out the shipping labels from TikTok, which is not what we want to do, because if you're a dropshipper, you want to give TikTok your labels that you get from Supplier. So you have to set up a shipping template. So click on shipping templates. You will need to add a warehouse. So what I usually do, I just put the warehouse address of my home. Then we're going to create the name of that template. I just call it default. When it says shipping from, I select the warehouse address that I just put, which is my address of my house. Ship from United States. Then we go to the shipping itself. I offer the standard shipping and the economy shipping, and I charge $9.87. But soon enough, I'm going to switch it to free shipping. That's because in 2024, they will stop subsidizing the shipping cost, meaning they will no longer cover the cost of shipping for sellers. So to attract more buyers, free shipping makes more sense. There's only a couple days left until we can use this. So maybe if you're watching this in 2024, you should probably set up just free shipping and just select those 2 options. When it comes to regions, have all the regions, but exclude 2 states, Alaska and Hawaii, not because we don't like them, but because most suppliers don't ship to those 2 states. Now, once you have your shipping template ready, go to shipping options and make sure that you click on ship by seller. That's very important. That way you won't be producing TikTok labels, but you will be able to upload your own tracking numbers. Okay, this is very important that you have selected ship by seller and select that you offer economy and started shipping, just like you see here on the video. Now to add the products, click on products and then click on manage products. And once you're there, click on add new product. So now all you have to do is you have to copy information that you have on eBay and put it here in the product name. Okay, so for example, when it comes to title, right? You have a title right here. Copy this and just paste it in the TikTok section where it says title. When you do that, make sure that you don't copy any names of the brands, because we don't want to brand our products. We're not a brand. We're dropshipping. When it comes to images, we already downloaded the images. Now we have to upload them. So you upload the images you got from eBay. When it comes to the description, we have a description right here. Again, we just copy it and just make sure that there's no mention of the brand, or like right here, it says 100% money guarantee. I would also delete that sentence because our customers don't need to know that, don't need to hear that. That's this eBay store policy. That doesn't necessarily mean that this is our policy, okay? And once you put the title, description, and the photos, you're pretty much done. You listed your first product, but that's just one item. You need more if you want to get discovered on TikTok Shop. So what I've been doing, I've been just adding a couple listings a day, 10, 15 listings a day, and I've been slowly growing my inventory, and eventually TikTok noticed me and give me a boost. But you can speed up this process, okay? And there are a couple of ways of doing it. One, you will create content with that item. So for example, what some people do, they would like find the product. I cannot find the wallet that we just find on eBay, but like sometimes you will find the product that's also on TikTok and you find videos with it, right? So let's say, let's just assume that that's one of those videos, okay? So what you can do is you cannot really reuse this video. It's not really a thing on TikTok, but what you can do is you can add your commentary. So you know when you watch TikTok and you sometimes see a person kind of doing like this green screen thing when they are watching a video and they like commenting on it, you can do that. So like this lady right here, she's doing this exact thing that I was just talking about. This is not necessarily a product that she's talking about. She's talking about comments or something, but this is the style I'm talking about. So you can do this on TikTok and it's fine. That way you can create content without creating content. Does it make sense? Another thing that you can do is something that I've been doing, which is using affiliates. So TikTok shops have an affiliate dashboard built in within their platform, and you can just set up a commission for your store, let's say 15% for example, for every product. And then people will notice that you have a commission on your store and they will create content with your products. They will make videos, you will get views, and TikTok will push your products further in the search results. You don't need to send samples to your creators. Very often they already have the product. They just purchase it somewhere else and they want to monetize it on it, or they will purchase it from you. And in fact, I stopped sending free samples because they never really worked for me. I just got scammed. A lot of people just want free stuff from you. You're gonna get a lot of messages of people asking for free samples. I recommend don't send them. If they really want to promote something, they can purchase it. If your commission is high, which I recommend you set up high commission at the beginning, like 40% or so, because if you have high commission, there's high incentive for people to start promoting you, and they are willing even to buy the products from you just to make video about it. This is something that happened to me multiple times. Purchased my product, made a video about it, and then I got extra views from it, and everyone is happy. You're happy because you made a sale. They're happy because they got their product. They was able to make videos. They got a cut. You got a cut. Everyone's happy. And the third option is by doing live streams. Apparently live streams are very effective on TikTok. I never done any live streams on my TikTok shop, but I have a member in our Discord that does live stream pretty regularly on TikTok. He told us that he's capable of generating like 60 sales within 2 hours of live streaming. But that means that you would need to buy a couple of samples of your products, ship it to yourself, and then do live streaming on TikTok and just be able to talk about it for those 2 hours or however long you decide that your live stream is going to be on. But that's just another method you can try. That's pretty much the process. You just find products, list them on TikTok. You either create content or not. I never actually created content myself, to be honest with you. I only relied on TikTok pushing my products organically and also affiliates. But a lot of our Discord members have been saying that creating content has helped them a lot. And we found a way of making content without making content. Just as I told you, you can just do commentary. I also have a more detailed TikTok shop dropshipping training available to my YouTube members. So if you're interested, click on the big button that says join and you'll be able to see that video. There's a little bit more detailed information in it. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you next time. Take care.